Have you ever wanted to start your own online business with eBay, but felt held back by the cost of stock and storage? Well, eBay dropshipping might just be the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up a successful eBay dropshipping business without spending a dime of your own money and without holding any inventory. We'll cover everything from finding the hottest products and reliable suppliers to setting up your eBay store and automating the entire process so you can focus on growing your business. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own eBay dropshipping empire. So, if you're ready to become your own boss and start making money online, stick around and let's get started. The ultimate guide to dropshipping on eBay without money. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where a store sells products without holding any stock. Instead, a third-party supplier sends the product directly to the customer. The store owner lists items for sale on eBay. When a customer places an order, the store owner purchases the item from the supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. This method allows entrepreneurs to start a business with minimal investment since they don't need to buy products up front or manage storage and shipping. Dropshipping offers several benefits over traditional retail and e-commerce models. Entrepreneurs can start with low capital as they don't need to invest in inventory. There are no initial costs for purchasing and storing products, leading to long-term savings. The supplier handles shipping and fulfillment, allowing business owners to focus on product selection and marketing rather than inventory management and logistics. Key points to consider before starting a dropshipping business on eBay. Market research. Investigate the marketplace to identify in-demand products with good profit margins. Reliable suppliers. Find trustworthy third-party suppliers offering quality products at competitive prices. Automation. Consider setting up an automated dropshipping solution to streamline business management. eBay policies. Familiarize yourself with eBay's seller policies and terms of service to ensure compliance. Steps to set up your dropshipping business on eBay. Create an eBay seller account. Sign up and establish your online store. Add products. List your chosen products in your store and set up a pricing structure. Professional presentation. Ensure accurate product descriptions and a professional-looking store. Automate fulfillment. Implement an automated dropshipping solution so orders are sent directly to suppliers for fulfillment. Tips for selecting the right products for your dropshipping business. Demand and profitability. Choose products that are popular and offer good profit margins. Competitive pricing. Research your competitors to ensure your prices are competitive. Reputable suppliers. Find suppliers with a good reputation who can deliver quality products on time. Niche products. Focus on selling niche items that aren't widely available from other retailers. Sourcing products for your dropshipping business. Research suppliers. Investigate potential suppliers, comparing their prices and quality standards. Customer reviews. Check reviews to ensure suppliers are reliable and trustworthy. Dropshipping services. Select suppliers that offer dropshipping services to ship orders directly to your customers. Using technology to optimize dropshipping operations. Automation. Utilize technology to automate tasks like inventory management and order fulfillment. Integration. Implement tools that integrate with platforms like eBay for real-time inventory tracking and automated ordering. Accuracy and efficiency. Ensure accurate stock levels and swift order processing to avoid overselling and improve customer satisfaction. Promoting your eBay store and boosting sales. SEO optimization. Optimize your product listings for search engines to increase visibility. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach more customers and build brand awareness. Targeted advertising. Run ads on Google AdWords and Bing ads to attract targeted traffic. Customer relationships. Provide excellent customer service to build strong relationships with your customers. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tip and tricks for your eBay online business. Keep watching where I list the top-selling items on eBay. Managing inventory and order fulfillment for your eBay dropshipping business. Automated solutions. Implement an automated dropshipping system to send orders directly to suppliers for fulfillment. Inventory tracking. Monitor inventory levels to prevent overselling. Order tracking. Keep track of orders to ensure timely shipping and delivery. Troubleshooting common issues in your eBay dropshipping business. Organization. Stay organized and keep detailed records of all orders. Supplier communication. Maintain regular communication with suppliers to quickly resolve any issues. 3. eBay policies. Familiarize yourself with eBay's seller policies to avoid violations and ensure compliance. Here are the top 10 selling and most popular items on eBay. Laptops. Kids' electric scooters. Women's clothing. Home decor. Home appliances. Collectible coins. Mobile phones. Video games. Women's shoes. And women watches. Here are the popular categories for eBay's best sellers. Electronics, consistently top-selling due to frequent discounts. Fashion, includes clothing, shoes, and accessories, often available in hard-to-find sizes or styles. Sports memorabilia, popular among collectors worldwide. Home goods includes various items for home improvement and decor. Collectibles, ranging from coins to rare items of interest. Additionally, eBay is popular for categories like health and beauty, automotive, and toys and games. It offers unique and hard-to-find items, making it an ideal marketplace for diverse shopping needs. Common mistakes to avoid when selling on eBay. Lack of research. Not researching competition can lead to incorrect pricing. Inaccurate descriptions. Misleading item descriptions can result in returns and lost profits. Poor communication. Slow or ineffective responses to customer inquiries can damage your reputation. Maximizing your exposure on eBay. Targeted keywords. Use specific keywords in titles and descriptions to improve search visibility. Promotion. Utilize social media and paid advertising to promote your listings. High-quality images. Include clear and accurate images to give buyers a true representation of your items. Dropshipping on eBay offers immense potential for high earnings without the headache of inventory management. It's a business model that levels the playing field and allows anyone to start a successful e-commerce venture with minimal upfront investment. If you found this information valuable, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on how to succeed in the world of e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.